आज देश की युवा पीढ़ी जानना चाहे तो वो डॉक्टर साहब ने क्या दिया?
Dr. Manmohan Singh ji was a gentleman prime minister who was an epitome of probity, accountability and transparency in public life, who was a remarkable man with absolute simplicity and an affable style that unnerved and won over the biggest of his critics. Everybody knows that the modern day India, when the economy was opened and liberalization was introduced, the father of the modern economy of India is Dr. Manmohan Singh. Just a fact I want to tell the young. There was a time when our foreign reserves were 3 billion when Dr. Manmohan Singh took over. When he left charge, the foreign reserves were 300 billion. He ushered in economic reforms, but he ensured that those economic reforms did not lead to concentration of power in the hands of the few, but distributive justice and inclusivity are two things that Dr. Manmohan Singh stood for. He promoted business, but he also ensured that right to work, right to food, right to education, right to forest rights for forest dwellers, right to compensation for farmers, all these were also woven into the economic growth story of India. That's why he said distributive justice, inclusivity and growth, they must go hand in hand, otherwise economic progress alone will have no meaning.
Just before you met the family member of late Dr. Manmohan Singh, what's the reaction of the family member today?
This is a solemn occasion. We all are grieving his demise. I think the entire nation, every right-thinking person in India or the world today feels that the loss is irreparable, unfathomable. It can never be filled, this gap. But it is also a satisfaction that Dr. Manmohan Singh ji lived a full life, and his words, his thoughts, his feelings, his simplicity, accountability, transparency, by setting a personal example, will always guide us, not only congressmen and women, but the whole country. He was a committed congressman with a solid Congress ideology, and all his actions and policies, therefore, worked towards including every single Indian in India's growth story.
Congress Party